Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaelen, and in this video I'll be showing you these goddess box braid or boho box braid inspired crochet braids. I got this hair on Amazon and it goes for $35, y'all. So affordable. So if you're interested, definitely keep on watching. I love this hair so much. The quality is so great, but we're not going to get into that right now. And if you want to see more hairstyle videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I do all that type of stuff on this channel around natural hair and beauty. So if you're interested, subscribe. And now that we got all that out of the way, let's get right into the video. Alright y'all, so let's get into this braid pattern. So I did the illusion crochet braid pattern doing plaits along the perimeter of my hair in the front, and then the rubber band method going backward, and then for the back of my hair I did vertical braids going up the nape of my neck, and then the horizontal pattern so the crochet braids lay flat. To stop my scalp from getting itchy and dry, I'm just using the Jamaican black castor oil to oil my scalp in the areas where the boxes are and in between the parts in the back. So here's the hair I'll be using straight out of the pack. Once you order this hair on Amazon and you get the bundle, you get 8 packs in all, and in each pack you get 16 braids. And with your purchase, you also get a complimentary crochet hook with accessories. So now we're just going to jump right into the install. I'm cutting the band so that I can get a hold of each crochet braid. And what I'm going to do is open the latch, put it through my braid. These braids are a little too tight, so just make sure that when you do this style, don't do your braids too tight. But as you can see, I put the crochet braid on the latch, close the hook. Now I'm pulling it through nice and slowly so it doesn't tug on my hair. I'm putting the crochet braid back on the latch, closing the hook, and pulling it right through the whole of the braid so that it can form a loop. After that, I'm taking the braid out, pulling it through the loop completely, and be careful so that the curly pieces don't get tangled or anything like that. And that's it. This hair was really easy to install, and crochet braids are super easy to do in general. This is not my first time doing crochet braids, but each time there's a different challenge. For this one, I thought I was doing the right thing by having small parts, but then the small braids led to really tight sections. So just be careful not to do your sections too small or your braids or rubber bands too tight when you're doing this style, because they will cause tension that is really unnecessary and unwanted. The braid that I just did at the perimeter of my hair was bothering me for the entirety of this style, so just keep that in mind. This is how much space one pack of this hair filled up in my head. I would say it was almost a quarter of the way, and mind you, I do have a big head. Also, when you're crocheting your hair in, make sure you pay attention to the direction in which you're inserting the crochet latch hook. So in this area, I inserted it downwards because it created the appearance of a knot like a regular box braid would have. But in the back, I inserted the latch hook going upward because it made the braids lay flatter. I love how the technique I used for crocheting the front of my hair made the braids look more like believable box braids with the knot at the front, and here's how full the hair looks from the back. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. I just styled it in a side part straight down. Very simple and sleek, but also look how voluminous this hair is, y'all. This is all 8 packs, and you really don't need to use all 8 packs unless you just want a very voluminous full look like I do. I really like full hair on me, so that's why I put them all in, and I love it so much, y'all. It's so nice. This hair is also very low maintenance. The quality of this hair is super nice. As you can see, the curls are just as bouncy and defined as they were on the very first day that I installed this hair. And it's only been 4 days, but a lot can happen in 4 days, y'all. So yeah, if you're interested in this hair and you want more information, check out the description box below. I put all the specs and details of this hair down there. And if you want to see more of me, from me, and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure to turn on your post notifications, y'all, because I'm coming with the hairstyles, especially the crochet protective styles. I've really been feeling them. At first, when I was in high school and I first tried crochet hair, I thought, like, oh lady, but no, y'all, this hair is so bomb, and it's really easy to get done or to do yourself. So definitely check out some crochet hair, and if you like this one, check out this brand. They got you covered. They also give you a free crochet hook and some accessories to put in this hair just to jazz it up a bit. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Keep on the lookout for more videos like this, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, y'all.